becoming an increasingly popular medium for online content consumption. Not only is it engaging and interactive, but it is also a powerful tool for SEO. In this video, we will be discussing the steps to follow when submitting videos to improve your site SEO. The step one is to create high quality videos. The first step is to create quality videos that will attract and engage your audience. Make sure that your videos are relevant to your audience and provides a valuable information to them. Use proper lighting and sound equipment to produce high quality videos, and also ensure that your videos are of the appropriate length and are optimized for search engines. Okay, so now the step number 2 is to optimize your videos for SEO. So here in this next step is to optimize your videos for SEO. This means that adding relevant keywords to the title, description and tags. This helps the search engine to understand what your video is about and helps them to rank it appropriately. Use relevant keywords and phrases that people are searching in the industry. Now let's talk about the step number 3. Step number 3 is to choose the right video hosting platform. Choosing the right video hosting platform is crucial for SEO. YouTube is the most popular video hosting platform and it is owned by Google. This means that video hosted on YouTube tends to rank higher on Google search results. Vimeo is also a good option, but it is not popular as YouTube. Okay, now let's talk about the step 4. The step 4 is to submit your videos and share it on sites. So in this step, we submit our videos to video sharing sites. This increases the visibility of your videos and drive more traffic to your website. Some more popular video sharing websites include YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and MetaCafe. When submitting your videos, you need to make sure that include a link back to your website in the description box. Okay, and the step number 5 is to embed your videos on website. Embedding your videos on your website is another way to increase their visibility and improve your website SEO. This will helps keep visitors on your website longer, which improves your website bounce rate. It is also important to optimize our video title, description, and text for SEO. Now let's see that how you can submit a video on social sharing websites. As you all know that how to share videos on Instagram, YouTube, okay, and TikTok also. Everybody knows how to upload videos there. You need to put right title, right tag and right description. Okay, now I'm sharing here some websites on which you can make video submissions. So for example, first of all, let me open my sheet here. Okay, here I have two sheets in which I have some link where I can do video submission. So if you see here, the first link is youtube.com. You all know how to submit videos on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. These are very basic things, as everybody knows that how to submit this. So I don't think that you will face any issue while submitting your videos on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. So let's move to the next option. So here we have Twitter as our third website. Let me open it. And let's open Tumblr. Even you all have seen that how to create a post on Tumblr. It is totally similar to that. So we are not going to use Tumblr here. Let's try on Vimeo and on this gap.com. Okay, you can choose any of them. Every website has their process. You need to follow these steps and your submission will be done. There is nothing very typical that you can't do. Here you need to click on this tweet option, or you can see here we get an option. Okay, now you need to write here your title, your description, your link and your keywords. So let me write all these things first here. So for example, this is my title here. If you see here, my link is included. Okay, now for example, I write this also. Now it shows that this is getting more than their limit. So I am removing this line. You need to make sure that you follow their guidelines. Okay. Here you can include your hashtag. For example, I write here Owlin and Owlin supplements. Okay, now I need to choose here my post. Like if I want to upload a video or a photo, then I need to choose from here. Okay, here our video is uploaded. Now you can edit its thumbnail from here, and you can update captions here as well. So we are not doing anything right now. You need to click on tweet now. Okay, so here our first video submission is done. You need to go on your profile, and if you check here, your video is ready here. You need to copy the link from this share button. Okay, now we have copied the link, and you need to paste this link in your sheet where you are collecting your links. Okay, I have pasted it here. Now let's try on this another website, that is Vimo. You need to click on this plus button and select your video. If you see, we have uploaded a video last day, and we got one view here. Okay, so this is how this Vimo works. If you upload your content here, it will make sure that you will get some views from here, or something else. Okay, it will take some times to get uploaded here. So till now we are going to upload our video here. So here you need to write your title and description first. So this is our title and line from our description. Okay, now you need to upload your photo and video here. I have choose my video, and here you can put your URL as well. I have included my URL here, so I don't need to write it again and again. Okay, now I need to post it after its upload is completed. Okay, now I just click on upload post. Now I just click on post, and my post is successfully posted. Okay, if you see here, our post is completed. Now you can click on this share grab and copy the URL and paste it in a sheet. Okay, we are done on these two websites, and from here you can copy the link of this one also. Okay, it is asking for premium version, and we are not going to get anything which is premium. Okay, this is about today's tutorial on video submission for SEO. By following these steps, you can improve your website visibility, and you can attract more traffic to your website. Remember to create quality video, optimize them for SEO, choose right video hosting platform, and submit them to video sharing sites, and embed them to your website also. And thank you for watching.